And I'm going to get my lovely assistant to pull over and show off the launcher, because for our next customer, we created not only the experiences themselves, but a way to easily launch a bunch of different experiences for their clients, because we were developing it for CLVR, but CLVR is then turning around and making these experiences available to schools, educational institutions, and others all over the world. So I hope that's on the screen now, and Matt, maybe you can speak to it.
It is, yeah, and shout out Career Labs. I think we've got a couple of folks from Career Labs, so shout out to them. We had a blast working. I mean, you can see this launcher here. We've actually built a similar launcher for Hydro. It's a great way to manage all of these scenarios. You can have additional training there. You can have some help. Your tutorial can be built into there. But the nice part about it, I mean, other than those nice parts, is there's an administrative panel as well. So that's where you access all that data, all that performance data. You can pull from there. You can pull from individual users. You can choose which date frame you'd like to pull from. And there you can just export it as however file you want, and then see how folks are doing. Now, the other nice thing about the administrative side, and George mentioned how Career Labs has subscribers all across the world. That's another place to manage that. So it doesn't have to be based on subscribers. It can also be the trainees that you have assigned to these tasks. So you can assign, 5 of these experiences, these training scenarios, just to George, for example, and he would be only limited to those. And it would be for X amount of time. And then once he completes those and passes, okay, let's move on to the next one. So it's a really nice way to actually manage users, almost like a mini LMS kind of thing, because we have that data and user management and login credentials and all that sort of thing. It's a really nice way to access and kind of host all of these scenarios. The other nice thing about it too is we're super modular when it comes to hosting. So we can use things like AWS or our own server, which is 99.999% of the time what we do. It's just easier for our customers. We find they have a lot more flexibility. They can access it. There's no like downtime, that sort of thing. So we host all of this on our servers, and we can just push updates whenever there's new scenarios, and it can all be run offline as well. So another big thing with what we do is everything can be run offline. So you don't need internet connection. Once everything's downloaded, you can access this. There's no need to access the cloud. There's no need to access any internet service. Once it's on, you've got it.